Hey everyone, welcome back to Justified Lens. If you're new here, I'm all about bringing you the latest and the greatest in AI powered design and creative tools. And today, I am beyond excited to introduce you to something truly groundbreaking, Tripo 3D AI. If you ever wanted to transform your 2D images into stunning high detailed 3D models in just a few clicks, then stick around because we have got a lot to unpack. Whether you are into 3D modeling for gaming, animation, or just creating eye-catching digital art, this tool is an absolute game changer for you. Alright, let's jump into it.
Let me first of all give you a quick review of their website. So they are generating the images in 3D. You can upload any image and it would convert into a 3D model. They are also going to announce a 3D scenario generator, like the 3D scenes for the gameplays and many other stuff like 3D environments, and it will be coming out soon. Also, they are gonna be launching the 3D video generator. That is a really big thing, and you can see they have different themes from which you can choose. Now let's try that. So I'm going to upload the image. From here I can click on the single upload image. Let's pick this one, go to my downloads. I have captured this image which I want to be into the form of 3D model. Let's upload it. Now in the settings section, I'm going to choose the version 2.0, and then I will be using the version 2.5 as well. And then we will be showing a short comparison between both of them. So let's first generate this one.
Here we are inside the Tripo 3D interface, and let me tell you, the new version 2.5 is packed with some serious upgrades. Today we are going to explore its features, compare it with the previous version 2.0, and see how it holds up against some of its biggest competitors. So first thing first, let's test it out. I'm going to upload an image that I recently took of my plant. Pay close attention as we watch this image transform into a fully rendered 3D model right before our eyes.
Now it's generating the 3D model. Now you can see we have our fully rendered image as a 3D model, and we can click on view it, or we can retry if we want any changes. So let's view it. Now you can see how beautiful this is looking actually, and we can even zoom in a bit to see how perfectly it's looking. So there are some things which might be improved, but this is the older version, and we will be checking the new version as well in a few moments. So this is the output from the version 2.0. As you can see, this is looking actually perfect. We can also add animation and other styles as well if you want, and you can download it in different formats. Now let's view the untextured design of it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now let's try to do it with the newer version. Let's close this one and click on single upload. Let's try to upload this image, and in the settings we are going to use the newer version. So with the newer version, we are going to click generate. It would load. Actually, you can see now it's actually fast. It's generating the result really fast, and it is really great to see. Now it's adding the texture. It's loading now our 3D model.
Alright, so the image is uploaded. Now watch this.
Perfect. Now let's view it. Very cool. As you can see, this is the main difference between the 2.0 version and the 2.5 version. This is actually a game changer in sense of 3D modeling, and the main difference between the model 2.0 and the 2.5 is that it's geometric precision. Let me quickly show you what image I have added here. So this was the image I have added. As you can see here, my model image also had some cracks in it, some dust particles, and you can see the result over here as well. Pretty cool, right?
One of the biggest improvement in Tripo 3D version 2.5 is speed. Look how quickly it is processing. So this new version now incorporates a new AI algorithm that significantly enhances details, retention, and depth, making models look even more realistic. So here is a side-by-side comparison of both the 2.5 and the 2.0 version. Now let's take a closer look at how version 2.5 compares to its predecessor. On the left, we have the new version, and on the right, we have version 2.0. Notice the finer details and improved texture quality in the new update, especially around the edges and the shadow depth. It really brings out the details as if we could reach out and feel the surface. If you have used AI-generated 3D modeling tools before, you know that's not all of them get the details right. But with this new update, Tripo 3D has definitely stepped up its game. Now let's test it with another image to see how it handles different type of subject. This time we are using a landscape. Actually, many 3D tools struggle with capturing the depth in landscapes, especially with elements like mountains, foliage, and terrain variations. But let's see how Tripo 3D handles it.
I'm going to drag this image over here. Let's use the HD texture. We have already set up the version 2.5 and let's hit generate. It's loading. So the image generation is done. Now it's adding texturing to the image. Well. Let's view it. And here we have our 3D image. Look how beautiful this has come up. It's actually perfect. We have actually uploaded a low quality image, as you can see here. This was the original image which we have uploaded, and here is the 3D model. You can see the details are very much precise. It has actually geometric precision in it, so that is why the results are really awesome.
Tripo 3D clearly holds an edge in terms of realism. So you might be asking why you should choose Tripo 3D over its competitors. Well, aside from its cutting-edge AI algorithm, faster processing speeds, and superior detail retention, also incredibly user-friendly. Whether you are a seasoned 3D artist or just starting out, this tool makes the process seamlessly intuitive. To recap, here are a few major highlights of the Tripo 3D version 2.5. New advanced AI algorithm for the finer details and textures. Faster rendering and processing speed. Improved terrain and depth accuracy for the landscapes. More versatile image compatibility for the range of creative projects. If this tool sounds like something you would want to explore, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. And if you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I would love to know what kind of 3D images would you like to convert next. Thank you for joining me on this 3D adventure. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest design and AI tool reviews. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.